Hi, healing buddies. Today we are going to learn abdominal breathing. Abdominal breathing or belly breathing, as it is called, is especially good for people who are anxious, nervous, and stressed all the time because they tend to breathe shallow and fast. Now, when you breathe deep and through abdomen, it oxygenates your body so well that your body environment improves, and many of your symptoms like aches, pains, acidity, migraine will tend to lessen or disappear. It also stimulates the vagus nerve, which calms down your entire nervous system and brain, which is especially good for people who are anxious and stressed all the time. So let's begin. Now, first, sit comfortably and preferably in front of the mirror so that you can observe how you breathe, how your body posture is, and your abdominal movements, especially. Now, keep your one hand on your chest and one hand on your abdomen. And when you breathe in, notice how they both move. So when you breathe in, inhale, the abdomen normally comes out. And when you breathe out, exhale, the abdomen should go in. One more time. Bulging out, going in. Now if you notice that reverse is happening, meaning when you are breathing in, the abdomen is also going out, which means you are doing reverse breathing, which is a hallmark of anxiety and stress, which means you should start breathing through the belly as soon as possible. Now, if you notice that your abdomen or chest is not moving much, then you should first practice some abdominal movements irrespective of your breathing. Meaning, try taking your abdomen in and out, like this. If you find this difficult, then lie down, put a thick book on your belly, and try to move it up and down. That gives you a good practice of moving your abdomen freely. Now let's coordinate it with breathing. So first exhale, because exhalation is easy. Exhale through mouth like you're blowing a candle, and simultaneously take your abdomen in voluntarily as much as possible. Let's see. Now when you inhale, it will automatically come out. Remember, I'm not pushing the abdomen with my hand. I'm just keeping my hand on it so that you observe my movements. One more time. Nice and slow. One more time. Now, remember that you have to breathe slowly and deeply. Also, keep your shoulders upright. Otherwise, sometimes we tend to make movements of our torso, which gives us a false feeling that your abdomen is moving. So, keep your shoulders straight and fixed. And now, one more time. Also, keep your shoulders, keep your neck muscles very loose. Otherwise, you tend to focus on your breathing so intensely that you tighten your whole body, which is actually counterproductive. So, keep it all relaxed and straight. One more time. Now, you have to practice this breathing 10 to 15 times and twice in a day so that your body gets used to breathing through belly all the time. Once this happens, your anxiety and stress cannot remain in your brain. So, start your belly breathing practice today and remain healthy.